Hey, what's going on, guys? This is my first YouTube video that I'm uploading in a while. So right now, I'm still on my journey to becoming a consistently profitable trader. And yeah, this is me just documenting the journey. So right now, I want to look at GBP, JPY. So originally this week, I was looking for a short. I wasn't entirely confident to take it with 100% certainty. So on the weekly, I had a few levels that I was looking at, price wicked up earlier on, earlier on in the month of September, and we swept these highs. So we swept these highs here, and we closed down, and I saw price dig through this level here that I had marked out. So originally when this happened, I wasn't too confident in the short to take a short. I was leaning on the fence that it could be bullish, but I was 50-50, so I left it alone. But it was interesting to see in the week, as the week progressed, that price ended up trading lower. So this level that I have here is a 4-hour fair value gap. So you can see it here. I'll order block too. Price trades into it at the close of last week, Friday, and we kind of opened up right here. So we closed here actually, but we kind of opened up here and then just traded lower. So yeah, when I saw the sweep and I saw the big move down, I was looking for a short. We have lows here that got dug out. I'm still looking for price to trade back to this level right here, this daily fair value gap at the 197.79 level. It'll probably happen later on in the week. Today's Thursday. It's 8:22. Maybe the news will come back and go forward. But I'm a truck driver right now, so right now what's been working for me is swing trading. So I haven't been going in here and taking intraday trades. I've been mainly swing trading. I'm gonna be honest, I missed this. I think it happened either when I was driving or asleep, because this would have been right. This came up here to the midpoint, right? Right at the midpoint, it wicked through it, closed lower. The same thing kind of happened again. We didn't quite get the trade, but we did, it didn't fill in the fair value up completely right here. It made it about halfway again, and then we rallied lower. That's exactly what I was looking for. To be honest, I didn't take the trade. I was just kind of watching it play out. I didn't want to be chasing it. It already moved a good majority towards the target that I was looking at. Um, Another thing I was looking at was GBP USD. So GBP USD and the whole DXY index right now is kind of at a standstill, because right now we have the government shut down, so it's making it a little more tricky. There's a fair value gap here. We had displacement upwards. We swept this low and we rallied up, and we kind of lost steam here, and we're kind of like easing down more and more. But ideally, if price is bullish for the DXY, it should continue higher. I know the shutdown makes it a little tricky right now, especially what's going on, and we have the first of the month. But when you fib it down right here, you get into premium. But even here, so if you took it and just slid it here, it would still be within, like right here would be pretty much at discount right below. So I'm looking for price to hold above this and rally higher, but I'll show you what I was talking about. So we swept this low and we had a strong move upwards. But you know, it's so uncertain right now with the news, so I'm just being patient and waiting right now. But back to GBP, USD. So we have a daily fair value gap, right? This is where I'm looking for price to trade through. We have a fair value gap here. So we had a sweep, traded back up to this level here. We went lower and then kind of have a failure swing here and failure swing right here. And we broke lower, broke this low, and we have like relative equal lows. We have a fair value gap here. We traded up here, but price respected the level here. Within the next couple of days, especially with non-farm payroll potentially being tomorrow, there's a good chance that we could see price melt off here. But, you know, I'm not 100% sure, but I would like to see price trade lower. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just looking for GJ to trade lower. There were a couple opportunities. I like seeing price action like this, so we went up, traded lower, traded back to this fair value gap. And then I think the most important part is too, I'm like starting to get better at spotting things before they happen. So once we traded down from here and I saw this break, I saw price pull back here to this small little fair value up, and then we traded lower. We broke these lows here, and then we traded back up to the midpoint here. And I see price just reaching for this fair value gap here. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have for now. I'm gonna try to make more videos. My goal is to do one once a week, just to give you guys an update and just document my journey. So when I look back, I can see how far I've come. All right, guys, take it easy.